You'll learn how to make a feature film really cheap with a crew of just 1 or 2. Show you how to make my pizza box camera slider. You're going to need a pizza box from a large pizza. When you hear a ding-ding sound like this, hit pause and write down what you see. Now we're going to be showing you some of the film rigs that I invented and built, and some that you can build too. And today I'll be assisted by Virginie and Kate. And we'll be showing you how some of these rigs are made, how we use them, and the effects that you can get. Okay, here we go.
I think when all the shops and everything in salons are open, I'm gonna do the same hairstyle but on my real hair, because I want my hair to look like that. I look so beautiful.
If I go like this, I could get slight up and down movement. Something pretty steady. I did it that way anyway. So we're going to do it one more time. Get the friction just right. You hold like this. Aim with the straw. You can use it on a table too. Okay, you can see it better here. This is where I've marked the where the bottom of the tripod legs will be. They'll be over that. We're going to get this like this, place it there, a bit of tape, and then I'll put it right over the top.